Have you ever stopped to think about the absolutely wild journey your food takes after that first bite? It's like this silent, magical process happening inside you right now. It's a kind of alchemy, really, turning a simple meal into the very energy that powers your thoughts, your movements, everything. So let's trace that incredible path from the very beginning to the very end.
Okay, so here's how we're going to do this. We're going to follow a single bite of food on its path, right? We'll start at the beginning, in the mouth, then track its journey down into the stomach for the big transformation. After that, we'll see how all the good stuff, the nutrients, get sorted out and sent where they need to go. And finally, we'll look at how the body wraps the whole thing up.
All right, first up on our tour, the mouth. And you know, it's so much more than just the entrance. This is the official gateway, where the entire digestive process really kicks off.
And get this, the action starts instantly. The second food enters your mouth, you've got this perfect two-part system kicking into gear. First, you've got the mechanical breakdown, right? Your teeth get to work, crushing and grinding. But at the exact same time, you've got the chemical kickstart. Your saliva isn't just water, it's loaded with enzymes that launch the first chemical attack, starting to break things down before you even think about swallowing.
Okay, so from the mouth, our little bite of food begins its descent. And what's cool is, this isn't just about gravity doing its thing. Nope, it's a really carefully controlled slide down into the stomach.
It travels down a tube called the esophagus, but it's not just falling. It's being actively pushed along by this amazing muscular process. Think of it like a wave, a series of muscle contractions that squeeze the food downward. It's so efficient, it works even if you're upside down, though I probably wouldn't recommend trying that after dinner.
And now, our food arrives at the main event, the transformation chamber. We're talking about the stomach. You can think of it like a muscular cauldron, and this is where the really dramatic breakdown starts to happen.
So in the stomach, the food is basically plunged into what are called digestive juices. And this stuff is no joke. It's a super potent cocktail of powerful acids and enzymes. This acidic bath has two main jobs: dissolve proteins and zap any nasty bacteria that might have hitched a ride. It's literally deconstructing your food on a molecular level to unlock all those valuable nutrients.
And you know, the stomach's role here is absolutely critical. It's not just some passive holding tank. Oh no, it's an active muscular mixer. It's constantly churning and squeezing, making sure every single particle of food gets coated in those powerful juices. It turns everything into this paste-like substance, getting it ready for the next stage of the journey.
Okay, after the stomach is done its thing, this pulpy mixture moves on to the small intestine. And just like the other parts, this long, winding tube is way more than just a simple passageway. This is the body's primary nutrient gateway. This is where the great sorting begins.
So this is the crucial part, the sorting process. The walls of the small intestine are covered in millions of these tiny, finger-like things that are designed to grab all the good stuff. They pull out all the valuable nutrients, we're talking vitamins, minerals, all the energy molecules, and pass them right through the intestinal wall into your bloodstream. And whatever's left over, the stuff the body can't use, it just continues on its way to the final stage.
All right, now that those nutrients have been absorbed, they enter the body's ultimate distribution network, your bloodstream. You can think of it like a massive, intricate superhighway, a river of life that's responsible for delivering all that precious fuel to every single cell in your body.
But where does all of this newfound energy actually go? I mean, it's in your blood, but so what? What does that actually do for you?
Well, it goes everywhere. That energy gets delivered to your brain, helping you think, focus, and have that aha moment. It's sent to your muscles so you can walk, run, or just lift your coffee cup. It's sent to billions of individual cells so they can repair and rebuild. It's even powering the constant rhythmic beat of your heart. Literally every single thing your body does relies on this delivery service.
You know that feeling of energy you get after a good meal? That feeling of just coming back to life? Yeah, that's not in your head. That is the real, tangible result of this incredible system working perfectly, delivering fuel exactly where it needs to go, all throughout your body.
All right, so every good journey has to come to an end, and this internal voyage is no different. After every last bit of value has been extracted, the body needs to complete the cycle.
So the leftover material moves into the large intestine, and its main job here is actually pretty important. It absorbs water from the waste and returns it to the body, which helps keep you hydrated. Then it compacts what's left. So this final step isn't just about, getting rid of waste. It's an essential part of the whole process, clearing the way for the next journey to begin.
I mean, when you really stop and think about it, the whole thing is just mind-boggling, isn't it? It's this incredibly efficient, totally silent, and completely automated process that turns a simple piece of food into life itself. From that very first bite to that feeling of being fully energized, it's nothing short of an everyday miracle.
And the craziest part, your body runs this entire complex journey completely on autopilot. You don't have to think about a single step. It does its part perfectly every single time. So the only real question left for you is this. Knowing the incredible adventure it's about to go on, what kind of fuel are you going to give it for the next one?